guys, have you ever listened the name is writing and the web SEO? If you are interested in SEO and writing, that this video is for you. Now in this video I will be discuss 10 top AI tool in the world that you should be use if you are interested in writing and web SEO. Okay, SEO. Now the come to the point is, first is a writer. Write is an intelligent copywriting assistant to help you create high quality content. Now coming to the next is a second AI tool. The name is a Quillbot. दोस्तों Quillbot a practical tool for quickly rewriting, click and improving your text. Available options, paraphrases, grammar, translation, plagiarism, etc. We can use of it in this website. Now the third is a Content Check AI. This is the best AI tool and for easy generations of SEO, optimize content, find idea, write articles, publish them directly on your blog and website. Now the next AI tool is, the name is Undetectable AI. Undetectable AI is make your AI generated text undetectable by humanizing them. Idea for student, SEO, copywriters, journalists, etc. we can use here it. Now the next is a Writesonic AI tool, which is my best AI text generator especially designed to create SEO optimized article. Possibility of using different model via a chatbot we can use here. Now the coming is the next AI tool. The name is Free AI Content Creator. It means if you will be see the HubSpot AI tool, create impactful content instantly with an AI assistant development developed by HubSpot. Generate SEO articles, social media post or email adapted to your brand and to your audience. Now coming to the next is a Jasper. Jasper AI tool, one of the best SEO optimized text generator with a chatbot in beta versions. Now coming to the next is Paraphrasing AI tool. Paraphrasing AI tool is a simple. This is a AI assistant creator and translate text with integrated research and paraphrase function. Now coming to the next is, the name is Smodin. Smodin is a powerful content writer ideal for a student. This is the best for the student, teachers also and writer also that we can use in here. You use here 100k plus businesses and 180 countries are using this and 30k is university using this. The name, the last is YouTube. I mean in GPT-0 is a fast revolutionary detections of plagiarism in your text. With the help of AI we can use, if someone using in AI and humanizers, that we can detect and correct it. I hope the video is helpful to you and all the link will be in descriptions below. You can check it. If you are in a new, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it. Till then, take care. Bye.